Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie. Welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be my moving vlog and also my empty apartment tour. So let's get straight into it. Okay, so as soon as you walk into my apartment, you see the bathroom, and then you also see my bedroom. You can go into the bedroom first. It's not huge, but I'm literally just one person, so I think it'll be fine. I have a decent sized closet here. So that's nice. And then from the bedroom, there is a door that goes into the bathroom. So we go out. There's a hall closet that I'll put shoes and jackets and coats in, and then it also has the wiring for the internet in it. And then here's another hall closet. So I'll use this one for linen, like put sheets and towels and stuff in the built-ins there. And then I'm actually thinking I might keep like my work wardrobe out in this closet. But we'll see what I can fit like in my room. And then this is the bathroom. It's actually so much smaller than I remembered it being from what I toured, which is again like whatever. I'm one person. I've already ordered some stuff from West Elm that I'm gonna use here in the bathroom. Just kidding. I actually ordered that stuff from CB2. But come out, turn to the left, and then this is the main living area. So this will have like my couch, TV, my desk. And I actually ordered a desk from Pottery Barn, not even like, I ordered it definitely this week. So today's Saturday, and I think I ordered it on like Tuesday or Wednesday, and it's already got delivered. I just have it out in the hallway because it's a huge box. I don't want to clean the floors before I start bringing like stuff in here. So yeah. And then off of the living room is the kitchen. All like stainless steel appliances and stuff, but I mean it's kind of tight in here, but I'm literally not mad. Like this apartment has been renovated, so it's nice and stuff. There's not a dishwasher, which is fine. That was definitely not a priority of mine to like have a dishwasher, because again, since I am one person, I like don't produce that much stuff, so I'm not worried about having to clean up after just like myself. But you have the soft close cabinets, all that good stuff. But yeah, this is what the apartment is looking like. So I know it's really not an ideal time to be moving, but I had this move planned for a very long time. I'd already signed a lease. And if you rent, you know that leases are very hard to get out of, to move or anything. So it's just kind of like I was gonna be paying money regardless. And I just like, I actually really like this apartment because it's like sunny. You've got the 2 sets of windows here for a nice cross breeze in the summer. And it's a 1 bedroom, so I get to live alone, which I'm very, very excited about. So like I said, it's Saturday, so my game plan for today is to actually just clean this place. It was like supposedly clean, but I do this in every apartment that I move into. I clean before I move in just because that's the type of person that I am. So I'm gonna do that. I just like brought over a bag of shoes, so I'll get that set up in the hall closet, and then I guess like unroll this rug that I got and put together my desk chair from Pottery Barn. So it's exciting that that's already here. And then tomorrow, one of my friends is helping me, and we're gonna get most of my clothes in here. set up my closets, and then on Monday is when my actual factual furniture is being delivered. So yes, I don't know when I'm actually gonna catch up with you all. It might be on Monday, but we'll see. I'm gonna sign off kind of the empty apartment vlog here. Yeah, so catch up with you guys a little bit later. The floors in this apartment were seriously so dirty. I've been using like a Swiffer little thing to clean them. Like the person who lived here before had a dog, so there's just kind of hidden pet dander here still, which sucks because I'm allergic to dogs, so I've actually just been cleaning like with this over my nose and with my glasses on so that I don't get anything into my eyes. But I've been here for like a couple hours now. I'm gonna like wipe down all of the cabinets, like in the shelves inside them tonight, and then wipe out the freezer and the refrigerator too, because like it's just like I just want things to be nice and clean for me. I know that I did it myself, but yeah, it's like pretty satisfying to clean an empty apartment. Okay, hey folks, it is Sunday afternoon. My friend Christy came and helped me move some stuff from my old apartment to the new apartment, mostly my clothes, and then just like other little things. And then I picked up my friend Ashley's car, drove the car back here to the new apartment, and then I'm gonna take a few things back to my old apartment, pack some more things up, and I think that'll be like it for today. Because I'm gonna have the movers stop at my old apartment, so hopefully I can just like pack up the rest of everything else and then just have the movers take it instead of me like doing this back and forth sort of thing myself. But yeah, so that's where we are right now. So got some stuff in my closet in my bedroom already. And then I have a bunch of stuff that just needs to go into like my dresser. But I have all of the windows open super to help just kind of air the place out, because yes, I live on a busy street. You can totally still kind of just smell like a dog from like the past person that lived here. So I'm trying to just like let that air out of it, because that's a really just disgusting smell. So nobody likes that. I'm gonna clean the tub and then head back over to my old apartment and just like probably call it a day for most of this stuff. My chair from Pottery Barn is here actually, but it's missing like the gas spring that makes the chair work. So I have to call Pottery Barn to get that figured out. And then this is actually the rug for my little office area. Top of the morning, folks. Okay, so today's like the big move day where I'm getting my furniture delivered to my apartment. So I'm at the house where my furniture has been stored, and the movers will get here between 8:30 and 9:30. It's pretty much 8:30 right now, so soon. So this is most of my stuff in here, and then I'm gonna start taking some of these like smaller, looser items out to the car. That is the moving truck. This is literally the easiest move. We are an hour and a half in, but that's including like 20-minute drives. So this is so fast. I'm so pleased. So this is everything in my apartment. Total mess at the moment, but probably just gonna like set up my bed tonight hang a shower curtain, start to put my dishes up, and all that sort of stuff. But this was such an easy move. Like, just like hardly 3 hours. So I'm very, very pleased with this. So gonna go close out the movers and then probably actually go to the grocery store and then come back and start to like organize stuff. Okay, I just got back from the grocery store. I bought kind of an obscene amount of food. Super pumped about that, so definitely stocking my fridge right now. A few things in here already. And then this is the rest of it. I just went to Jewel, which is just like a conventional grocery store. I don't think I'm gonna go to Trader Joe's, but I'm really like, I'm not sure. Like, it would just be to pick up like a few things, which like doesn't feel worth it. And you can see the thing for my mask. Yes, safety 101. This is just so pretty. All these fruits, vegetables. Ugh. So everything is up, not necessarily in any sort of logical order quite yet, but I just wanted to get everything like where it needed to be for sure. And then later I will put some logic behind where the food should go in the fridge, where it should go in all of the cabinets and stuff. Right now I'm gonna head back to my old apartment, and I think I'm just gonna like make some food right now because I'm just like not in a space here to like cook. So I think I'm gonna go home, make some food. Honestly, I might like take a nap, who knows, and then like come back here and like smash some stuff out this evening. Okay, so I decided to just take all of my dishes like out of the newspaper and stuff, and my plan is to just clean them as I use them and then put them into the cabinet. Or maybe if I just have a spurt of energy this weekend, then I'll actually just clean all of these by hand. But like, that does not seem super likely. But I'm like just so happy that my kitchen is coming together. Like, I've taken out a bunch of my pots and pans and like my utensils and stuff. And for me, like when like the bedroom and the kitchen come together, that's when it starts to like really feel like I live somewhere. And like the living room, it's like, okay, whatever, I'll like figure that out. But for me, if it's like, if I can like sleep and I can cook, you know, and the bathroom's clean, it's just all the things I need to do in a space. So it's like almost 7:30. I think I'm gonna call it a night for now. Probably close these windows because I think it's gonna rain and I don't want to ruin all my stuff. So yeah, I think that's the plan. So I'll see you guys like the next time that I'm here at the apartment.